Hey coding enthusiasts! Welcome back to Savvy Tech Avantika. Today we're diving into some amazing coding tips and tricks to enhance your programming journey. Tip number 1, always comment your code. It might seem like an extra step, but it's invaluable. Comments clarify your code, making it easier to understand for you and others who might read it later. Tip number 2, use meaningful variable names. Instead of generic names like XORI, choose descriptive ones. For example, use total price or username. This enhances readability and maintainability. Tip number 3, break down problems into smaller manageable parts. When faced with a big coding challenge, divide it into smaller tasks. For instance, when building a website, start with layout, then functionality, and finally styling. Tip number 4, practice regularly. Coding is a skill that improves with practice. Set aside time each day to code, even if it's just a few minutes. Consistency builds confidence. Tip number 5, join a coding community. Whether online or local, communities offer support, motivation, and insights. Share progress, ask questions, and learn from others' experiences. Happy coding!